I have had 10 different careers. You don't know about most of those. And I would encourage everybody to treat their skill learning as like they're grocery shopping and they're filling the cart. And you don't know what you're going to do with these mushrooms. So I think we should all be gathering as much knowledge, as many skills, as many connections as we can as we move through life, not to narrow ourselves unnecessarily and just gather things because you never know where it'll lead you. There's nothing in my early life that would have told you that I would end up being a global health professional. Nothing.
Hmm.
But that's where I wound up. And it was because I had gathered skills over time. And everything that we do, whether it's our paid work or our volunteer work or our fun work, has a social justice component to it. And the way that we act, the way we treat others, um, all of that, everything matters. All of my life, I've had absolute strangers ask me, was I a teacher? And I always said no. And I think I was a little insulted because, I was trying not to, have like Black women were teachers, social workers, and nurses. That's all we could do. And I was trying not to fall into that. And I later realized that whatever my job title is, I have always been a teacher. And
Mm.
so the last time it happened, I was actually in Indianapolis, Indiana, visiting a cousin, and her mother-in-law came over. And 20 minutes into our conversation, she said, "Are you a teacher?" And for the first time, I said, "Yes." Nobody can tell me why they say that, but I've finally come to recognize and accept that your job title doesn't have to be teacher to make you a teacher. And I'm a teacher. What can I say? I didn't choose it. It chose me.